In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make invoice and bill in QuickBooks online. We'll start with an invoice, which you use when a customer owes you, and then create a bill, which you use when you owe a vendor. I'll walk you through each screen, explain what each field means, and share a few tips so your records stay clean and easy to track. To create an invoice, open QuickBooks Online and click the plus new button. Choose Invoice. In the customer field, select an existing customer or add a new one if this is their first time. Taking a moment to pick the correct customer ensures your history and statements stay accurate. Next, add your product or service. Choose the item from your products and services list, enter the quantity, and then the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the line amount for you. If your items are set up properly, this step also ensures income is categorized to the right accounts, which helps your reports make sense later. Set the invoice date and the due date. The invoice date is when you're recording the sale. The due date is when payment is expected. Choose the terms like net 15 or net 30. The terms control how QuickBooks calculates the due date, so double check they match what you agreed with your customer. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will email the invoice and record it immediately. Behind the scenes, this posts the amount to accounts receivable, which means it shows up as money owed to you. You can keep an eye on outstanding invoices in the reports area, including open invoices and AR aging, to see what's due and when. Now let's create a bill for expenses you owe to a vendor. Click the plus new button again and select bill. Choose the vendor from your list. Enter the bill date and the due date. The bill date reflects when the vendor issued it, and the due date tells QuickBooks when this needs to be paid, which is important for cash flow and reminders. Decide whether to use category details or item details. Category details are ideal for general expenses like office supplies or utilities, and they post directly to an expense account. Item details are better if you track inventory or specific billable items tied to products and services. Enter the amount for each line so the bill total matches your vendor's document. When you're finished, click Save and Close. This records the balance in accounts payable. You'll see it in your payables and AP aging reports, making it easy to plan payments and avoid late fees. That's it. Create invoices to record what customers owe you and bills to record what you owe vendors. With these two tools, your receivables and payables stay accurate and your reports stay reliable.